Hello guys, welcome to another piano lesson on this E-series latest version 473. And so today I'll be showing you how to, unlock these number buttons here. Because now like this, if you press any number, it will not function as you know, because it's blocked. Okay, because now if I want to unlock them, I have to use this master key, the shift in combination with another key. Let me show you as proof that it's not working. So if I go maybe to, this is already voice. Okay, it's already on voice. This is voice. Now if I want to press maybe 5, if I press 5, because look keenly, it's showing 001. If I press 5, you see it's going to 129, or is it 25 now? Okay, let me show you how to unlock it. So we'll press shift, and while holding shift we pressed the portable grand piano, because you see down here we see num lock. So that's what we use to unlock it. Okay, so let me do it to you so that you see. Alright guys, sorry my screen is a bit blurred, so I'll long press the shift button, then I press portable to unlock the numbers. Unlock portable grand piano. Alright, so I've done that. Okay, I've just done that. So if you now come to my numbers here, okay, maybe I press 5 again. Okay, you see that it goes to 005. All right, if I press 6, okay, it goes to 006. Okay, good. If I press maybe 1115, right, I have that. So guys, that's the way we used to unlock these numbers on the screen. Okay,